Hi friends, welcome back to another video here on my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new, thank you so much for taking the time to check me out. My name is Jeannie. Ooh. It's been a long day. I worked today, already filmed one video. If you see me in multiple videos for the next couple days in the same makeup and the same clothes, that's because I'm taking the opportunity right now to get a few videos ahead. It's almost Christmas. I'm hosting Christmas Eve and I've got a lot going on. So right now I do have 2 giveaways going on, and anybody that is subscribed to my channel is welcome to enter and could always win. So one of them is a holiday giveaway with Jeffree Star, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Glam Glow, Morphe, and much, much more. It's going to be part 1 of actually 2 giveaways for the holiday, and that will be linked in the description box below. If you're interested, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment on the video linked in the description box below. Then I also have a duplicates from my BoxyCharm paid for and BoxyCharm PR, and I've got some duplicates, and that is a giveaway. I'll also link that in the description box below if you want to check out that and get your entry there. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, unbagging, whatever, my IPSY Glam bag for the month of December. I've already gotten my Glam Bag Plus a while back, and we unboxed that and created a look with it. Now, this is the regular Glam bag, and this, God, I can't even remember anymore. Everything keeps going up. I want to say it was 12, now it's like 13 or 14. Now, within this bag, you can customize one item, and it's mostly deluxe size samples, but you do get some full-size products here and there as well. Whenever I see full-size products up for choice, I always grab those because then I really feel like I'm getting a bang for my buck. Now, with this, you do get a little bag. I'm loving the December bag. I love pink. I love shiny. So it's kind of like a rose gold shimmer bag. Very similar to the Santa Sack one of the Glam Bag Plus. So I'm loving that. And then, so let's just go ahead and jump on in, right? The first item is a mask duo from the Creme Shop. I do love my sheet masks. I have not been using them as much as I used to lately. I've just been really busy with work and a lot of other things, but I do want to get back into them. One of them is Baby It's Cold Outside 24 Karat Gold and Collagen Firming and Moisturizing Essence Sheet Mask. I do love these masks from the Creme Shop. They have these all the time in my local TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I pick them up all the time. I always put these in my giveaways. Well, not always, but a lot of times I put these in my giveaways. And then the second one is 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely. It's collagen and squalene, youth promoting, collagen boosting, and hydrating essence sheet mask. So that is considered one product. So that's cool. Always will be happy with something like that. Next, I think this is what I chose. I can't remember anymore. I'll be honest with you. I think this is what I chose. So it is a tiny, eensy weensy little palette, if I can get it out. It is by Orza Beauty, and it is their Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow palette. Oh, wow. It's like in protective seal, too. That's okay. I'm cool with that. And let's see what she looks like because I don't remember. Okay. So it's a 4-pan palette. It's a pretty everyday wearable palette. I really like these for quick looks. When you pull out a huge palette, even for somebody that's very comfortable with makeup, that can feel overwhelming. It's like, oh my God, all these colors, what do I do? So for a quick look for like work, school, or if you're just in a rush, these are great, but they're also great for travel. Let's swatch these. So here is that copper color. Ooh, that's pretty. I love, ooh, wow, that's really nice actually, you guys. That's super pigmented. It feels really nice. Let's do the other shimmer. This is like a really pretty burgundy. I could not get that out. Here's what it looks like on the finger. Nice and wet looking. And there is the swatch. Okay. Let's swatch them. Let's swatch them. One of the mattes. Let's do this darker matte. Let's see how that swatches. So it looks on the finger. Nice chocolatey brown looking color. Okay, that looks nice. Maybe a tiny bit patchy, but nothing over the top. So, okay, cool. We got that. Next, I was actually really excited about this. This is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is one of their blushes. I want to say the shade was Candy Apple. I can't remember, but I will let you know. God, do they package their stuff really tightly, which is nice, though, because it's keeping it safe. Nobody wants to pay for a bag and then get broken products. So, okay. So, Candy Apple, yes. It is a really pretty blush. So this, yeah, I mean, I will definitely use this. You can never have enough blushes. If, you know, in my opinion, you can never have enough anything when it comes to makeup. Or you can have enough, but you can't have too much. So we've got an Ofra blush. I love getting Ofra in my subscriptions. That is the color. We'll give it a swatch down here. That's how it looks. So yeah, happy for that. Next, from Skin Iceland, we have the Glacial Facial Wash. Glacier Facial Wash. That is really hard to say. Try it. Glacier Facial Wash. It is a deluxe size sample. Again, these little minis for skincare are great for traveling. Nowadays on the plane, you can't even have like a full-size shampoo, conditioner, nothing like that. So these are great for traveling. I recently, just last week or the week before, it's so hard to remember. Everything just mashes together these days, but was just in Florida with my husband, and I brought a bunch of my little IPSY things with me for makeup, for skincare, for skin cleansing, for shampoo. You get everything in these little bags. It's really great. So there is that. And then last but not least, from First Aid Beauty, which is a brand that I absolutely adore, we have the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. Here's the thing with this. I have no oil on my skin at all. I am a dry woman. So this is actually probably going to go in an upcoming video. I have no use for it. My sister has combination skin. Maybe I'll toss this in her Christmas bag. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just save it for a little extra for one of my upcoming giveaways. Either way, it's not something that I can use, but I'm still happy with this bag. I did grab one add-on. So this is not something that I had seen on there, and I was interested to try it. It's from Playa, and it is their Violet Brightening Shampoo. As you can see, I'm a natural brunette that bleaches my hair blonde, and I also live in a house on the water, and we have well water here. So it's not like super strong well water, but it is well water, and that can make blonde hair orange within like 2 weeks. So these toning shampoos are a lifesaver for me, and I have a bunch that I absolutely love, but I'm always looking for my next new favorite. So for a discounted price, it is a full size. I wanted to go ahead and pick it up and check it out, and I will let you guys know how it works on a later date once I give it a try. I actually used one today, so I won't use one again for probably like another week. I use them like once a week, just to keep my blonde looking fresh and bright. And even with using them once a week, you can still see a little bit of yellow within my blonde. It's just the way it goes when you are not a natural blonde. Unfortunately, I am not. But that's going to be it for my IPSY Glam bag for the month of December. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Don't forget to get your entries into my giveaways. Both of them will be linked in the description box below. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.